Another great way to level up your video quality is to upgrade the audio. Audio brings your video to life and encourages your viewers to engage with your message. When used correctly, it can dramatically affect the quality of the video. Firstly, if you're opting to use the in-phone microphone, I'd recommend getting as close as possible to the OPPO Find X5 Pro. If your phone is too far away from your body, the microphone may pick up other noises around you. If holding the phone too close to you results in the lens being too tight, then use the ultra-wide angle lens to ensure everything that you would like in the frame is captured correctly. With the OPPO Find X5 Pro, you can also use the Recorder app to capture sound. This gives you more post-production freedom when editing to add in additional audio clips on top of video. This also enables you to get as close as possible to the built-in microphone without worrying about having your subject in frame. If you're really looking to improve the audio to a higher professional standard, you can look at using a USB shotgun microphone. If you would like to achieve the best audio possible, the shotgun microphone needs to be as close to you as possible. Even when the microphone is attached to your phone, it's still likely to be too far away, impacting the audio. One way around this is to boom the mic so the audio is nice and close but out of your frame. Personally, using an external microphone is the best way to incorporate high quality audio into your videos.